So I have an indoor plant.
Yeah.
It's a small plant. The name I gave it, the plant is Planti. The plant is actually called a peace lily, or to be more scientific, a
Spathiphyllum.
For the past month and a few days, Planti has been lonely. So today, I venture outside to go get some new friends for Planti. I went to Ikea to find some new plants. There are a lot of plants to choose from in Ikea, and with the help of my parents, we found 4 new plants. Lunchtime! We had our lunch in a fast food restaurant named Super Bowl Asian Café with an affordable all-you-can-eat dim sum. We decided to try nearly half of the menu. Fried sesame balls with red sweet bean paste, egg noodle with fried garlic, fried beef siomai, fried chicken and cheese siomai, steamed set with a variety of dumplings, takoyaki, steamed buns, braised char siu beef on rice, crispy chicken with teriyaki sauce, braised duck with rice noodles, and many more. We also had some cool, refreshing drinks.
Wow.
Here are 4 new plants we got. A money plant. And if you ask if it gives money in any currency, no, it does not grow money. A Lawson cypress or El Woody, a poinsettia, a very colorful red plant, and a lucky bamboo. One lucky bamboo, the one with the curly tip. Here are all of them sitting in their own respective pots. Don't mind that bouquet of roses. That was a gift from Dad to Mom. Oh, how sweet. Thanks for watching.